So here we are building a base for an 8 metre by 3 metre summer house. We are digging out our holes, ready to put our posts in, pulling all of the loose out with our hands. We then measure up our hole, ready for our composite post to go in. Transfer that measurement to the chop saw, get it marked up. We're using a chop saw here because composite posts absolutely ruin blades. Chuck the post in the hole, temporarily fix it, check it for level, fill the hole up with water. Postcrete is our preferred method. Make sure we tamp it all down nice and compact and solid to make sure we've got a good hole in the ground. Drilling out our holes for our bolts to go in our posts, which means that our base is absolutely going nowhere. Nice little look around, check we're all nice and straight. Make sure we've got our posts where we need them. Get our nuts and our washers secured to the posts, ready to be tightened up. Now you can see I'm an absolute master at arm wrestling. Get that nice and tight so it cannot move, because this is the most important part of any summer house. Make sure you hit the follow button so you don't miss us actually building the summer house. And that is us all wrapped up for the day. At a nice leisurely time of 4:30 on a Friday. Not too bad.